Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing piping on the edge of a pillow. Now, I'm not going to be doing a full-size pillow. I'm just using a small little sample size here. If you're using, say for instance, a 16 by 16 inch pillow form or whatever size pillow you want to make, you pre-mark it with some tailor chalk right around the edge, exactly the 16 by 16 if it's 16 by 16 inch pillow form. And then you're going to be putting in a zipper foot. And with the piping, you start at the bottom and you're going to leave some extra at the end. And what you want to do is follow the piping as close as you can to the edge. So when you get to the bottom, you're going to leave a space and you're going to take apart some of the stitches. I'm just going to cut it to here. And take out these stitches. And then what you do is you match up the rope in the inside. And then you have that all done. And then what you're going to do is put the right side facing on the inside for the top, the other piece. So I've pinned the top fabric together with the right sides facing together. And I'm starting at the bottom again. And I'm just going to shove this as close as I can to that binding. You can feel it. And you're just going to stitch right around. So now that it's turned right side out, I trimmed the edges before and the corners before I turned it right side out, and I left an opening to stuff it. Or if you're doing a pillow form, make sure it's a bigger hole. And just do a ladder stitch on the inside to stitch it up. And it's very easy to put in a beautiful decorative piping edge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the third in a series of tips and tricks and techniques. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now. Have a great day.